If you decide to cancel your ads on Yelp, here's what you need to do. You can do this on the back end of your dashboard. After logging into your Yelp business account, you will go to the billing page and then your products. And when you click on manage, you will be able to cancel the ads from there. However, I hear from business owners that it's not that easy to do and it's not that easy to find this option. Some say it does not even exist there. So what you should do is you should get in touch with Yelp support directly and ask them to get your ads canceled. Now be prepared to actually tell them why you're canceling and if this is just a temporary pause or if you plan to cancel the ads completely. And they might be pretty aggressive from what I hear. They might be pushing and trying to upsell their services to you. So be prepared. This might be a longer conversation, but if you speak with them and get a confirmation from them that they actually canceled the ads, then you should be fine. Now, if you'd like to cancel the ads and not lose the performance of the leads that you currently have, I would be happy to help you with that. Get in touch with me. I'll review what you have. I will provide you my feedback. I will even give you some actionable insights, some tips that you can implement right away on your page to not lose the performance after canceling the ads. And you can most definitely keep all the leads and business after canceling. It's all about what you have on your page and how you're working on it. So don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'll be happy to help. And I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.